This video, we will define a function of a random variable. A function of random variable is defined as follows. Suppose that x is a random variable, and suppose that you're given a real function from the set of real numbers to set of real numbers. So g of x is a real valued function from R to R. In that case, we define a random variable y. We denote it by y equal g of x. We know that in this course we use lots of abbreviation. But this notation means that for any member of your sample space, for any possible outcome, y of c, the random variable over this probability space, is defined as this g function of x. Okay. Now we call these a random variable if we could talk about the CDF of y. Okay, so this definition is correct or valid if you could. So CDF of y basically is denoted by that, and it is probability that y is smaller than or equal y, and basically this means all possible values. This event means all possible values, probability of all possible x's, such that xc is a member of L and y of xc is smaller than or equal y. And y of xc by this definition is defined like that. Okay, so if you put it there, you get this definition. So we call it a random variable if this probability is meaningful for all values of y, all real numbers of y. So this definition states that y equal g of x is not always a random variable. For instance, if I say g of x is equal to 1 if x is rational and 0 if x is not, then it is not a random variable. You cannot work with that. And it is not of interest in engineering or science or commerce or business and so on. So this is an example that I